Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Baby nursery organization ideas and tips. Even the most organized parents and caregivers may get overwhelmed by baby clutter. Utilize our space-saving techniques to create a more orderly nursery hassle-free. Best ideas for organizing a nursery closet. 1. Organize your diapering materials. Keep diapers, wipes, and creams in a basket or caddy, along with a cloth diaper or rag in case there are any unexpected accidents to clean up. 2. Make over the clothes in your child's closet. If your child's wardrobe is bursting at the seams with clothing, put any excess away for your next child or donate them to anyone in need. 3. Decorate the nursery differently each season. Partition your seasonal decor into 3 piles, then rotate among them as the seasons and holidays change. 4. Look for a crib that has storage space built in. Even though babies are small, their possessions vary from bite-sized to gigantic, and there is more than enough of them. To save space, look for a crib with additional storage, like one with shelves or drawers, where you can store extra crib sheets or bulk purchases, such as backup diapers. 5. You can adorn open shelves with baskets. Wide shelves are ideal for storing baby toys and books. Line shelves with canvas bins and fill them with anything you choose for uncomplicated storage. 6. Stock and backstock should be kept in different locations. It may seem a brilliant idea to keep your whole supply of a particular item or commodity in one place, but this is a mistake. The whole supply of disposable items, like diapers and toiletries, need not be within your reach at all times. 7. Build the baby's closet from top to bottom. Redesign your baby's closet to accommodate a pint-sized collection. Increase the amount of overhead space available by installing additional shelves. 8. Rearrange things according to who has access. If you want to save time in the long term, consider keeping things according to the frequency of their use. 9. Make use of the resources you currently have. The most effective organizational tools are often things that you already have. Don't want to spend the money on a glider? The old chair in the basement may be just what you're looking for. 10. Maximize the available space. Save space in the baby's room by working smarter. For instance, you can store your child's dresser inside the closet to provide more floor room for playing and reading. If you follow these organization and relocation principles, you may create the structured nursery of your dreams.